Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody drew this file and they're having trouble using the fisheye lens effect on this file. So here's his file. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center page. Then I'm going to take an ellipse. Well, first of all, when he sent me the file, it was like this. It was all blue. So we're going to hit P and put the ellipse in the center of the page. Then we're going to go to Effects, Lens Effect, and put fisheye, and it does that. And then when he freezes it, it does that. And he can't figure out how to do it. So the only thing I know of, and it worked, is I'm going to left click no fill and right click outline. Now, a lot of times the fisheye effect will not work on it again. Let's just try it. If not, we'll have to create a separate line, but it worked. And then I'm going to go to frozen, and you can see it worked. Now, to make it that color, this red outline is going to stop the lines from leaking. So one, we can try the Smart Fill tool. Let's zoom in here and get the Smart Fill right there, but it still kind of fills in these broken spots. So what he can do is go up to Object and Group and Ungroup and get rid of that red line. And then just turn all these by right clicking blue that gives it an outline. Now there is still a white, most likely a white background. We're going to put a yellow box, Object, Order, back a page, and you can see the white. A lot of times you have to ungroup it, but sometimes you can just grab it and remove the white and then put this back. And that's how he got that effect. I turned mine yellow. So what we're going to do is make this black, take this and make it a yellow outline, and then put it inside here, and there's your effect. Now, I've discovered this wouldn't probably work for printers, but it will make these lines darker. If you Control D and Control D, it'll put 3 lines on top of each other so they appear to be darker. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. That's a pretty cool pattern. And thank you for watching.